Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Thank you so much for tuning in again today. My name's Savvy, and today's recipe I'll be walking you guys through how to make a really tasty vegan ranch bowl, I'm gonna call it. So this is kind of like a nourish bowl or a Buddha bowl, whatever you want to call it, but the main things that I'm going to be showing you how to do is to choose really nutrient-rich foods and then to get a balance of carbs, fat, and protein. So this is really important for people that are following a plant-based diet, just to make sure they're getting all the nutrition they need. And then of course supplementing with vitamin D and B12 are the big ones. But when it comes to making meals, just like knowing how to choose really healthy foods and how to get a balance of macronutrients, and so you have enough energy throughout the day and you feel full. So really important, especially for people that are new. I've been seeing like this huge flux in subscribers and like just chatter online, because I think my guess is that it's the Game Changers documentary that's bringing all these new people into the vegan lifestyle. So I think that's great. But there is a lot to learn about kind of how to, to properly meet your nutrient needs on this diet. So I hope I can be helpful in that. And I've created this little graphic I call the Microvore Meal Formula. So I share this in a couple of my ebooks, and I'm going to share it for free today in this video. And it's just this really simple graphic that, helps you make sure you get like enough variety of vegetables, you get something with complex carbs, something with protein, and something with fat. So all these different things will make sure that the meal is very nutritious, is energizing and satisfying, and yeah, doesn't get much better than that. So today's recipe is, like I said, it's going to be kind of this whole food bowl, and then we're going to develop like a vegan ranch dressing for it to make it taste really good. So step one in the formula is to pick out some non-starchy vegetables, and you'll see that the quantity is unlimited in this category because these foods have a lot of vitamins and minerals but not a lot of calories, and so you can eat as much as you desire. A good thing I like to aim for is 3 different colors. This isn't a rule, but it's just a good way to ensure variety. So let's go for some romaine, some yellow bell pepper, and tomatoes. Step number 2 is to add half a cup to 2 cups of legumes, grains, or starchy vegetables. These are foods that are going to give us complex carbs, which will give you steady energy after meals. So a lot of them, especially legumes and grains, are also a good source of protein, which will help keep you full. But today, since I'm going to use some steamed sweet potatoes, potatoes are generally a little lower in protein than grains and legumes, and so I'm going to also throw in some of this chicken flavored tofu to up the protein a little. Now I just made a recipe for this chicken flavored tofu. They're kind of like nuggets, I guess you could call them. So if you'd like the recipe for that, I've linked it down below. Alright, step number 3 is to add 2 tablespoons to a 1/4 cup of nuts, seeds, avocado, or coconuts. And this will provide healthy fats that are really important for our skin, our hormones, and they make fat-soluble vitamins in this meal, like all the ones that you'll find in the non-starchy vegetables. The fat makes those vitamins way more absorbable. And so today I'm going to show you how to make this simple vegan ranch dressing. All you'll need is hemp seeds, lemon juice, garlic, mustard powder, dill, and salt. And this will meet my fat requirement for the meal and is very, very delicious. And finally, step 4 is to include some fruit just as a dessert for the meal. You also could add the fruit right into this macro bowl. You could add some strawberries, blueberries would be good. Some dried fruit, dried cranberries are always good. But if you don't get that component right in the meal, then you can always have a piece of fruit for dessert. Just, it's a nice sweet finish to the meal, and it also will give you some easily absorbable fruit sugars, which kind of give you like a nice quick boost of energy, while those complex carbs in the potatoes will give you energy for a couple hours after the meal. So meals like this are gonna keep you in excellent health, guys. And if you're wanting to lose weight in a healthy way on a plant-based diet, then meals like this are gonna give you the nutrition you need, they're gonna keep you full, and they're gonna be able to fuel your workouts. Please don't starve yourself, guys. It's a terrible idea and it does not work long term. You may be able to cut calories and, just portion control your food for a while, but your appetite will always swing back with vengeance, and you'll end up overeating, you'll end up choosing the wrong foods. And so it's really important just to give your body consistent nutrition. 3 meals a day. You maybe practice some intermittent fasting can be effective. Get plenty of water. You're gonna be feeling so good, you're gonna wanna get up and move, and that's what will help you lose weight, build muscle, and just overall feel healthy. So if you have any questions about this topic or ideas for future videos, please write them down below. And if you're wanting more meals like this, I have a whole blog full of them, plus my vegan weight loss meal plans available on my website. So if you're interested, you can go check those out. And that's it for the video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!